Alright, here we are, back in action again. Let's get a zoom in. We can take a look. We got Blue Thunder getting ready to go. Ready. On your mark. Get set. Get ready. Go! Go! Oh, and he pulls it off. He drives away. Blue Thunder drives away. Wow, did you see that? That was just crazy.
I did that too. How you do that?
How did he do that? Who's driving Blue Thunder, Micah?
Tom Mintz.
Tom Mintz is driving Blue Thunder today.
Me. How can you do that?
And the Crush Bus. And the Crush Cars. Who's coming next? Son of a Digger's gonna try to pull it off. Ryan Anderson.
Son of a Digger. Front flip.
Front flip.
Back flip.
He does a backflip before he pulls up to the ramp. Did a backflip. Will he hold together enough to be able to go down the giant steep ramp?
Yeah, he's lifting it up.
Alright, it's time for him to line up.
Hold on. Hold on right there. Let me get him.
Oh, we have to have a timeout because Mommy's home with McDonald's. Oh, and Ryan Anderson crushes it and lands on the tires. And that'll be the end of this video.